Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you are all fine. Students, this is Sir Mohsin Siddiqui and you're watching APS Mohsin Siddiqui YouTube channel. So, hope you're good. So, in this lesson, last time we did basically lesson number two. I hope you practice it. And this time we have a new topic that is lesson number three. You're waiting for that. So, the time is over now. Lesson number three is about hello numbers format. And this lesson basically give you that how you will add the numbers and you will add numbers in different formats. The same table which you have seen in front of you, so open it the page number 48 in front of you. Come on, quick. Page number 48 in front of you, then we will start. So in the previous lesson, we learned to use function, find results, results represent different values like price, example, like we have to change the format so it will be easier to read and understand what they represent. So display the price in currency format is this. So I will just change this price into PKR. So just take a look. So how you will do this? Okay. So ready? Okay. Now we have the page 48 task, and that is already in front of you. Check. The students basically this table is on page number 48. You have to make it as it is, as in front of you first. Like first, we will convert this basically price into the currency format. So go there, you have the option in the currency format, like click here, more accounting format you have, because we will convert this currency method into basically PKR. Okay, the currency is here, just check it. Okay, like currency symbol is here, rupees. So we will change this currency format into PKR. Like now searching PKR. Make sure PKR means Pakistani rupees. So we will change this currency format into PKR. So don't give up, boys and girls. We will check. We will find the PKR. Just drag it down like rupees, but we need a PKR. Here we have like PKR, which is come from P. So maybe now you will have PKR is coming. If anyone can see, yes. Drag it down, drag it down. Yes. Now P is coming. Let's check where is the PKR. Here is the PKR. Now just OK. Then everything is converted into PKR, rupees 3 PKR. Now what will happen if this hashtag is coming? It means your data doesn't fit your cell. So you will drag it like this. Yes, now we will convert this all format into currency format, that is PKR 3 rupees, PKR 2.5 and PKR 4 rupees, like this. So I hope you understand that topic. Now moving towards the percentage. Student, I want this all data will be displayed in the percentage style. You will just select all the data and then click here. Whenever you click here, it will convert data into percentage style like this. Yes, just one click, but you need to select all the data first. So is it easy? Yes. Now moving towards the another data and another topic, that is basically displaying dates. Already the dates are mentioned. Okay, the dates already mentioned, and but we need to convert this date into long date. I want the month name. I want the day name. So how will you do this? So first you will select all the cells, go to the tab here and click on the long date. Simple. Now again, it gives you the hashtag. It means the data which is not properly filled, and you can say the exceed from the cell. So you will drag it and increase the size of the cell. Yes, now we will see Saturday and January. So that is the third task which you basically did by this. So page number 49. and the 48 will be done after using this method. So check what we did. First, we will convert this price into currency format. Then this data, number data, will convert into percentage style from here. And this normal dates converted into the long date from here. I hope you understand this topic. Now comes towards the page number 50, that is your exercise. So it's your time now. See, this is our page number 48. Okay, first we have changed the currency. On the next page, this is your exercise. Okay, page number 50. Now open it. The task is very simple. You have to make, yes, you have to make same to same data. Okay, like we have desert price, quantity, amount sold, selling percentage, date sold. So first, write cup, cookies, brownies, and as more. Least desert sold means the minimum value. You will select all the cells. You will put here the minimum formula here because least means the smallest value. We already learned this task in the previous. So min, and you will just select all entire the cells. D3 to D6. What about this? Saving percentage. It's very simple. First, you will change all the display the prices in USD. So first you will select this area, go towards Excel, and then convert into dollars and USD. So I will just write here 2.75 with PKR. You will write 2.75 with USD. And then calculate the formula selling percentage. It's very simple, boys. Like you have to convert this into percentage. You will just add the formula. First, you need to select the maximum value. Maximum value means here, and the amount sold is here. So quantity is here. We will select D. Okay, I'm putting the formula, but this is your task. Remember, D3 divided by, it means we will give the slash sign, and here is the quantity. You have to add this cell like C3 and then press enter key. Now you got the answer like 0.1 thing, something like this. Then you will convert this into the percentage. Again, I'm doing this task. Select the cell, whole cell, and then go towards the basically percentage symbol. It will give you the answer 76%. Just like, okay? So you will write the formula of the function, that how you will take the percentage from that sheet. Display, write the formula. Okay. Write the formula that calculates the selling percentage in the selling percentage column and display the result in percentage format. Already I did this in front of you, and you have to do it by yourself. Display the dates in the dates column. Now you have options. We will select all the cells and convert into the long date. In the D, use the appropriate function to find the least amount desert sold in the cell D8. It means that you will add the formula of minimum, you will select and solve by yourself. So students, hope you understand this topic. If you have any problem, any query, comment it, and inshallah I will give you the answer and the reply on the same day. And otherwise, if you understand the topic, you will like it. If you like my video, then I will understand that you understand the topic. Inshallah, meet you in the next topic. Take care. Bye bye and Allah Hafiz.